Good morning everyone. Day 2 Aahar. We are at hall number 4, first floor, booth number 19. We are manufacturers of PET cans, jars, lug cap jars, beverage cans. In this video I'll be talking to you about beverage cans. I will show you how we seal it for cafes, restaurants, cloud kitchen. 100% food grade, BPA free, unbreakable, leak proof. Various sizes are available. These are non-carbonated cans. These are carbonated cans. We have lug cap bottles also in PET. This is not glass, this is PET. Various shapes also available. Sizes starting from 100 ml to 500 ml. I will show you how the can is sealed now. This is the can sealing machine that we have. Two seconds and the can is sealed. I'm pressing the can and there is no leakage. You can pack carbonated, non-carbonated drinks in the can. It's a very compact machine for cafes, restaurant, cloud kitchen. For more details, please contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.